Welcome back. We have got some snow this morning. Looking like anywhere from 6 to 8, 9 inches. Had a little bit of drifting. So we're going to get that taken care of. But first, I got to go to the Deere dealer. If you saw our last episode, when I started the tractor, and it was about -6 that day to do some plowing. I got this error code. This is from the John Deere app, which I love. As you can see, it's also prompting me for some maintenance that's due. But I need to find out. I know what the code is. After a few minutes, the code went away. It had a stop code and a loud beeping sound going. So of course I didn't want to move the tractor, and then it just stopped. So I don't know if it was the extreme cold. You know, this pollution control, I gotta tell you, I mean, you know, I'm all for being smart with the planet and everything else, but you know, the very idea that the whole regen system, that you're gonna put it at a high idle and let it sit there for 20 or 30 minutes and then expel fumes into the atmosphere, I just don't see where the whole thing makes sense. I really don't. And of course, it's increased the amount of dollars that we're spending for our tractors, not to mention the hassle, because it always seems to happen in an inconvenient time. But anyhow, we're going to go down. I'm going to grab some coffee. Got a couple errands to do. Going to go to the Deere dealer, and then we'll get to some plowing. Thanks for joining us. Hey, if you enjoy our videos, we sure would appreciate a thumbs up right here. And if you've subscribed in the past, please check to be sure that you're still subscribed. Thanks for joining us. So, I talked to the service manager, and he wasn't sure. He's going to do some research and get back to me. But the interesting thing is going to be, now I'm going back home and I'm going to plow the driveway. Now it's about 25 degrees difference than it was when this situation happened. It's 18 degrees right now. And as I've said before, we just do not get those sub-zero temperatures like we had the other day. It was -7 degrees when the issue came up with the tractor, and it's 18 degrees right now. So, yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see if it happens right now, and then Joe, the service manager, is going to let me know what I need to do. So, let's go plow some snow. An alarm. The good news is I'm not getting an alarm. I've not heard back from my sales manager yet. Excuse me, service manager. It's only been a few minutes. I'm really lucky to have a good dealer. They've always treated me right. Honestly, it's good to have some real snow to plow. I mean, not that this is a lot, but it beats that nuisance snow that we've been having. I'm actually going to remove some of this. Alright, so we'll see how the box blade does. Not bad. tell you what, I don't know if I'll ever own another tractor, but I will say I will never own another tractor without auto throttle. I just absolutely love it. I really do. Trying to push these snowbanks back a little bit. gotta tell you, this heater will blast you out of here. Well, good news and bad news. Bad news, I busted a tripod. It's not the first. Good news is did not get the code. And I guess also good news, got to have some fun. And got to be with you guys, which I always love. Thank you so much for joining us. And we'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.